Listening as we are discussing about the shell and subshell, and L shell contain total 8 electron, and its mean it has 2 electron in 2s orbital and 2 electron 6 electron in p orbital. Similarly, M third shell and 3, which contain maximum number of electron 18, and distribution of electrons in subshell inside the M shell is that 3s contain 2 electron, 3p contain 6 electron, and 3d contain 10 electron. Similarly, with fourth shell N4, and it contain total 32 electrons. Its mean it has 2 electron in 4s, 6 electron in 4p, 10 electron in d, and 4f contain 14 electron, which is total 32 electron. Its mean N shell, main energy level, contain 4 subshell, and distribution of electron in this shell is 2, 6, 10, and 40. Similarly, you can see that we can write electronic configuration. For example, N1 have 1s2 shell, N2 has 2s2, 2p6, 2 represent the number of orbit, and in the 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10, and N4, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, and 4f14, and 5 and 6 and 7 similarly. And we write electronic configuration by using the arrow head to tail rule. Tail to head, we will first we write 1s2, then 2s2, then we write 2p6, 3s2, and 3p6, and after that 3p we will write 4s2, then 3d10, 4p6, and 5s2. Similarly, we can write electronic configuration of atoms having less atomic number and more atomic number by using these symbols, and by using this electronic configuration we can calculate and we can write electronic configuration of any element in the periodic table. Next, our topic is that electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, it is the long question of the book. The distribution of electrons around the nucleus in various shells and subshells according to their increasing energy is called electronic configuration. It is the definition. And next, the most stable or ground state electronic configuration of an atom is the one in which electrons are present in the lowest possible energy level. The electrons fill the shells in order of their increasing energy, and you can also add example headings. The electrons fill the shells in order of their increasing energy. Add heading here, filling of electrons in shells. And lower energy level is occupied first, then the higher energy level, and so on as indicated earlier. The maximum capacity of shells to accommodate the electron is as following: K contain 2, L8, M18, and N13. Similarly, the maximum capacity of subshell, I have already discussed that. S contain 2 electron, P contain 6, D10, and F14. And the rule, when we write the electronic configuration, the rule will be the number of electrons in an atom, the sequence of shells and subshells according to energy levels, the maximum number of electrons that can be placed in different shells and subshells. We should remember 3 things when we write electronic configuration of any element. First of all, we should know about the number of electrons in an atom, then sequence of shells and subshells. For example, we place lower energy subshells in the first, we place electron in the lowest energy levels or lowest energy shells, and then subshells, and then to higher energy levels and high energy level shells. The maximum number of electrons that can be placed in the different shells and subshells. And we should also know that maximum number of and maximum capacity of shells and subshells to hold the electron. For example, the maximum capacity of the S subshell is 2 electron. We cannot put 3 electron in S subshell because it can only hold 2 electrons. So third, we should also know the capacity of shells and subshells. And the first paragraph, as we know that there is a slight difference between the energies of the subshells within a shell. Therefore, filling of electron in subshell of shell is such as that V subshell is filled first, and then is P subshell, and then other subshells are filled. I have already discussed that, and it is the long question. Now, example: write the electronic configuration of element having 11 electrons. For this, first of all, according to, if we write the electronic configuration in the shell, first we draw the structure, and in first shell K have maximum 2 electron and L 10 and M, its mean M because it contains total 11 electron, so the 11th electron will be in M orbital, M shell, main shell. And if we write the electronic configuration according to subshells, then we will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 1s2 and 2s2 contain 4 and p contains 6, total 10, and the third will go to the third subshell, first 3s1. Similarly, chloride ion. When we write the electronic configuration of chloride ion mean the simple chlorine molecule contain 17 electron, but when it will gain an electron, the total number of electron will be equal to 18, and we will write the electronic configuration of chloride ion same: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. So example 2.3, an element has 5 electron in M shell, find its atomic number. Its mean its M shell contain 5 electron. So first we from this we can identify the total number of electrons in an atom, because outermost shell contain 5 electron, and when we place its mean its inner shell are filled, and the first shell is K, which contain 2, second L, which contain 8. It is understood that when the inner shell are filled, then the left electrons will move towards the outer shell. So if outer shell contain 5 electron, it means the inner 2 shells will contain 10 electron, because the K shell have maximum capacity of 2 electron and L has 8 electron. That's why the total atomic number of this element, which have 5 electron in its outermost shell, will be 15. And from the electronic configuration we can also identify the element. So next page 17, 37, solution. If we placed K contain 2, L contain 8 and M contain 5, and it have total atomic number and the number of electron is 15. So as we know, the number of electron in an atom is equal to its atomic number. Therefore atomic number of this element is 15, and atomic number we know that is equal to proton number. So proton and electron number in an atom are equal, in a neutral atom are equal. So here is the example of, there are different elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, which have the atomic number which are given as, and their electronic configuration also given. You have to practice this in your NEET notebook, and in our next lecture we will discuss about the Test Yourself 2.3 and isotopes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.